Hello, my name is Olabisi Kadri, and this is my web server proposal for the term project titled Stream Like Blog. Writing is a great way to learn about yourself and express your inner ideas. Streamline blog is a content development whereby unregistered users can view news and publication in order to stay updated. Registered users can post and update news and publications to entertain audience visiting the website. The admin can contact registered users and delete any post they feel is irrelevant to the web. So, the user story. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to contact the admin so that I can lodge complaint or give feedback. Unregistered user can click on the drop down tab from resource and they can see contact us and they can contact the admin. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to see details about the website I'm visiting so that I can be informed. So, unregistered user can click on this about us and they can see more information about the blog. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to view news so that I can be entertained. Unregistered user can click on the news icon here and they can view news. Registered user. As a registered user, I want to be able to log in so I can have access to the full functionalities of the web. Registered user can log in. As a registered user, I want to be able to sign up for an account so I can have an account. So registered users can sign up for an account here. As a registered user, I want to be able to log out so I can end my session. So whenever a registered user log in, there's the logout tab so they can end their session over here. As a registered user, I want to be able to post news so that I can entertain users of the app. Registered user can post news, the title, image, description. As a registered user, I want to be able to update news so I can make amendments. So registered user can make amendments to whatever they post. As a registered user, I want to be able to reset my password so I can still have access to the app even when I forget my password. So whenever a registered user forget their password, they'll be able to reset the password and still log into the app after they reset the password. Admin. As an admin, I want to be able to delete news so that there won't be irrelevant news posted. So we have the delete button whereby the admin can delete any news they feel is irrelevant to the blog. As an admin, I want the home page to be attractive and have the blog name so that it can attract viewers to the web. As you can see, it has the name, the Streamline blog. Thank you.